What's good, guys? How you doing? So, if you have watched my last video, you know that I was contemplating on if I should continue buying prop firms or if I should leave prop firms and go back to demo account. So, during this weekend, I made a clear conclusion to myself, and I decided that I am going to stop buying prop firms because I have blown a lot of prop firms. I believe I've blown up to 6 prop firms this year. So I decided that I'll go back to demo because I need to build back my confidence. I need to get confidence on my strategy. I need to start following my trading rules because I think I've actually stopped doing all the shit. It is crazy how I started this year with passing phase 1, passing phase 2, getting payouts to blowing 6 accounts. It is crazy because as of March, I passed phase 1, I passed phase 2. April, I was able to, a payout was actually waiting for me, $107 payout. I created a video about this on my YouTube channel, and eventually by April ending I received a notification and they were like, sorry Clayton Callistus, you breached a 30 days rule and your account is gone. And from that time I was like, since I was able to pass phase 1 and phase 2 and get payouts, then I could do it again. So now, looking back, I changed my strategy in a way, but then I didn't see it as strategy changing because it was still the same concept of liquidity sweep, reconstruction. It was still ICT concept. So I felt like I was still using my strategy, but I didn't know that I abandoned my strategy and I was using another strategy because my strategy focuses more on higher time frames for the direction I'm looking at the market. But after I passed that phase 1 and phase 2 and I got payout, I now decided to leave higher time frame and go back and go lower to 5-minute time frame and 1 hour time frame. To 5-minute time frame and 1 minute time frame. So I was not using lower time frame as my direction, which is bad and which fucked me up because on a higher time frame we can be bullish, but on a 5-minute time frame we can be bearish, but that shit is just a retracement to continue the bullish movement. So that was actually what fucked me up from that time till now. And from that time till now, I've blown up to 4 accounts. 4 problems accounts, yes. From January to March, I blew only 2 problem accounts. From April till now, 4 accounts, like 6 accounts. Or more. I thought that this year will actually make sense. So I thought that this year will actually be a good year for me. I don't know that this year will be this crazy. I don't know that this year will be this bad because shit, trading hard. So I've decided that I'm going to go back to demo. And from August to October, if I can come out of each month profitable, then I'm going to trade November with a profit because I don't trade December for some nasty reasons. But if from August to October, one of the months between them I end it with a loss, then I'm going to add November in my demo trading and come next year trading prop firm. That's what I want to do. And I'm also considering that I should just leave this year and not even buy any prop firm and just focus on demo trading. I know demo trading is not real money, but I just want to focus on demo trading to build back my strategy. Like, that strategy is actually one of the things that I want to focus on, because my psychology is good, everything is good, but that strategy changing has fucked me up, man. So I'm going to do that. It is not easy. This August will make it my 3rd year in trading without any payout. It is not easy, man, but we are still going to keep going. We are still going. We are not keeping up. We are not giving up. We are still grinding, man. We will eventually get our payout. I must get payout from this trading. I've lost a lot to not get payout. I must get payout. So I just want to update you guys on my next plan, because any weekly video I post, the account will be demo account. So I don't want somebody to come to my comment section and say that, yeah, you have been trading demo account and you aligned that is prop account. Now I'm saying that is demo account. So if you love this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on your notification bar. Peace out.